Seller's Guide to Roofing Materials for Higher Home Resale Value. Enhancing your home's value involves strategic choices, with roofing materials playing a crucial role. Affordable asphalt shingles offer a balance of cost and durability, moderately affecting resale value. Metal roofing, known for its durability and energy efficiency, can significantly increase a home's market appeal. Slate roofing combines elegance with longevity, markedly boosting property value. Clay tiles, ideal for warmer climates, enhance aesthetics and durability. Wooden shingles, appealing for their traditional look, require more maintenance. The choice of roofing material impacts your home's valuation and appeal in the real estate market. Climate and architectural style influence this decision, but investing in quality roofing can lead to substantial gains. From the cost-effectiveness of asphalt to the luxury of slate, selecting the right roofing material is a strategic investment that enhances your property's curb appeal and market value.